Good afternoon, children. Today we can study about the angles, that is right and straight angles. For that, first of all, I'm going to tell about you already learned this four directions, isn't it? Four directions in social studies you already learned. Which are the directions, children? That you know, that is north, south, east and west. North, south, east and west. We can take that for this showing these right angles and straight angles. Okay, listen here. This one is the north, isn't it? North, and then opposite side is that is south, and this east and this west. And if we take first turn from north to east, if we turn from north to east, then like this one is the four portion, isn't it? Four portion. This one is the northeast portion and east south, southwest and west north. This one is the north, south, east, west. And if we turn from north to east in clockwise, if we turn clockwise, turn from north to east, that is 1 by 4th turn. This one is the one right angle. This one is the one right angle and that is a 1 by 4th turn. That is 1 by 4th turn and that is one right angle. And if we turn again east to south, if we anti-clockwise turn from east to south, then that is also again one more right angle. Here this also one more right angle and this one also, and from here to here that is also 1/4 turn. That is 1/4 turn. This one from here to north to east, that is 1/4 turn. And east to south, that is also another 1/4 turn. And if we clockwise turn from north to south, that is straight angle. And this portion, this 1/4 portion, that is right angle. And this 1/4 that is another 1/4 angle and that is right angle. So here you can see two right angles from one to here on one right angle and this one is the another right angle. So two right angles. That two right angles means one right angle that is 90 degree and two right angles means 290 degrees, that is 180 degree. So that 180 degree means this one is the straight angle. That is the straight angle. And if we again clockwise to from south to west, that is another 1/4 portion. That is another 1/4 portion. Or if we take from north to west, that is 3/4 portion. That is the clockwise, that is 3/4 turn. That we can tell it as 3/4 turn. This one is the 1/4 turn and this one is another 1/4 turn. Again 1/4 turn. That is 3/1/4 turn. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So this one is the 3/4 turn. This one is 3/4 turn and this one 1 by 4th turn, that is one right angle, and this one is another 1/4 turn, that is again one more right angle, and 3/4 turn in means that is three right angles in that, three right angles, and 190 plus 90 plus 90, that is 270 degree angle. 270 degree angle, that is the 3/4 angle. That is the 3/4 turn. And again one more turn, that is also again 1/4 turn and right angle, four right angles and again 1/4 portion, that means one portion, one revolution. So north to north, that is from turn from north to north, that means that is one revolution. That is one revolution. So again once more, yes, look here. Yes, starting from north, that is clockwise turn. That is a clockwise turn. Clockwise turn from north to east, that is 1/4 turn. That is 90 degree angle. And again east to south, that is another right angle, and another 1/4 angle. So 2/4 turn. That is 2/4 turn, 1/4, 2/4 turn. And again one more 1/4 turn, that means this north to west, that is 3/4 turn. 3 right angles already there. And again one more 1/4 turn, that is 4 1/4 turn or 4 right angles there, that is 360 degree, 360 degree angle, that is 1 revolution. That is 1 revolution. Okay. Then again we can take it this in the clock, children. Then this one more. Yes. Here this one is the clockwise turn. And this one means anti-clock. This one is clockwise. And if we go through this from south to north, that is anti-clockwise turn. That is this one is the clockwise turn. And this one means that is reverse, that is anti-clockwise turn. Okay. Yes, then next one, that angles in clock. Look here. Yes, 12, 6, 3, 9. Yes. Here you can see this one. Yes, the time is now 3 o'clock. The time is now 3 o'clock. That 3 o'clock means this one is the 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn. And this one is the right angle, 1/4 turn. Okay, great. And here how many hours you can see? 1 to 12, isn't it? 12 parts there. 12 parts means that is 1/4 means 1/4 of 12 means, yes, 1/4 of 12, that is 3. 4 out of 12, 3 4s are 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, that is 1/4. That is 1/4. And 3 to 6, that is another. 3 to 6, 1, 2, 3, that is another 1/4. 6 to 9, 1/4. 9 to 12, 1/4. If we are taking 1, if 1 to 4, that is 1/4. And 2 to 5, 3 to 6, 4 to 7, 5 to 8, that is 1/4 each. Okay, then 3 portion, because only 1 to 12, in 1 to 12 means 1/4 of 12 means that is 3 portion. So this one is 1 right angle and this one is 1/4 turn. And if we take this one is 6 o'clock, yes, this one is the 6 o'clock means that is straight angle. Here we can see straight angle. Straight angle. And straight angle and 2 right angles here. One is this one and another one is also. So this one is the 2/4 portion. 2/4 means 1/2 portion, that is straight angle. And if we take this one is, okay, 9. And if we take from 12 to 9, 12 to 9 means that is 3/4 portion. 12 to 9. 12 to 9 means that is 3/4 portion. Okay, because that is 9 of 12 to 9, that is 3/4. And if we take that is next one, 3, 6, 9, that is portions. Yes, look here children. Next one, 10 minutes for 1 o'clock. Yes, 10 minutes for 1 o'clock. Then this one also another 10 minutes for 1 o'clock means this portion means 1/4 turn. This one is the 1/4 turn and this one is the 3/4 turn. This 1 to 10 that is 3/4 portion and 10 to 1 means that is 10 to 1 that is 1/4 portion. That is the 1/4 portion. Okay. And here look here in the exercise what is the angle for half a revolution? What is the angle for half a revolution children? Half a revolution means question half a revolution that is straight angle. Half a revolution means that is straight angle. And page number 91. And second question, what is the angle name for 1/4 revolution? 1/4 revolution means that is right angle. 1/4 revolution, that is right angle. And here exercise 5.2 in that, what fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from yes, first one, yes, 3 to 9. 3 to 9. Look here. 3 to 9 means means look from here 3 to 9. 3 to 9 means that is half of the revolution, isn't it? 3 here and here, see that means that is half of the revolution, that is straight angle. Then we want to write it in a fraction way. Fraction way means that is half of portion. So 1 by 2 portion. That is the 1 by 2. Fraction is 1 by 2. And in that second question B 4 to 7. Yes, 4 to 7 means 4 here, 4 to 7. 4 to 7. That is also another 1 by 4th portion. That is also another 1 by 4th. 1 by 4 portion. Fraction is 1 by 4. And third question 7 to 10. 7 to 10 means 7 here and 7 to 10. 7 to 10 this portion. That is also another 1 by 4th portion. 1 by 4 portion. And next, what is next? 6 to 3. Look here. 6 to 3. All of you look here. 6 to 3 means that is going from turn from 6. Turn from 6 to 3. 6 to 3 means going from here to here. So this one is the 3 by 4th portion. 6 to 3. From 6. Starting from 6. 6 1 means from starting from here 6 to 3 means that is 3/4 portion. 3 by 4 fraction. That is 3 by 4 fraction. Okay children. So we can stop it today. Bye children.